How to add note on Instagram post and reels. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's get started. Launch Instagram app on your device. Make sure that you log in or sign in to your account. Now find a particular post or reel video where you want to add note on Instagram. So make sure to know that the process is same for both of the post and reels. So you can easily find a particular reel video or post and tap on the share icon underneath that. Here you can see variety of option. So here you can easily find out add note options. Select that and here you can add a message for this particular reel video. So you can type in any message and add emoji as well. At the bottom right, you can easily find out the share icon. Tap on share and you have already added note on this video. So that's how you can easily add notes on Instagram posts and reels. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.